Welcome back to Online Tools Master. In today's video, we're continuing with the color name converter tool on onlinepngtools.com. If you missed part 1, don't worry. In this part, we'll explore some fresh examples that show the real power of this tool for designers, illustrators, and anyone working with colors. To get started, open your browser, search onlinepngtools.com, and head over to Color Name Converter. This tool lets you enter color names or codes and instantly generate a PNG image to visualize them. You can customize layouts, spacing, labels, and more. Let's dive right into the examples. In our first example, we're generating the full HSV hue spectrum from 0 degrees to 360 degrees. We enter a list of HSV color codes with saturation and value set to 100% and only the hue changing in steps of 10 degrees. This creates a seamless rainbow strip, from red at 0 degrees through yellow, green, cyan, blue, violet, and back to red at 360 degrees. We stack the colors horizontally, set the width to 20 pixels and height to 600 pixels, and keep the background transparent. The result is a smooth rainbow PNG spectrum, and once done, just click Save As to download. In the second example, we create a grayscale gradient using 16 shades of gray. Starting from pure black, #000000, and gradually moving to pure white, #FFFFFF. Each shade is brighter than the previous one. We arrange the colors vertically, set the width to 600 pixels, and height to 40 pixels per shade, and the background is set to transparent. This generates a clean step-by-step grayscale gradient PNG. This is super useful for tone studies or testing contrast. Again, when finished, simply hit Save As to download. For the third example, we're exploring transparency blending. We take deep pink in RGBA format and adjust its alpha value, starting fully opaque and reducing it step by step until it becomes fully transparent. We place these 6 strips horizontally with a width of 125 px and height of 500 px over a royal blue background. As the transparency increases, the pink mixes with the blue, creating interesting transition shades. We also enable color labels and borders for clarity, add gaps of 10 pixels and padding of 10 pixels around the entire PNG. The final output is a beautiful gradient that demonstrates how transparency interacts with background colors. And as always, click Save As to download your image. And that wraps up part 2 of our Color Name Converter series. We've seen how to generate rainbow spectrums, grayscale gradients, and transparency blends. This tool is powerful, flexible, and works directly in your browser. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Online Tools Master for more easy-to-follow tutorials. And stay tuned. We're preparing part 3 of this series with even more creative examples of the Color Name Converter tool. See you in the next video.